Hello everyone, Mike here on DIY Mike, where I teach you how to do it yourself. Today we're going to talk about the plastic razor blade. It's a very cool little tool, kind of rarely known. A lot of people don't know that they're out there, but it's very helpful in removing stickers from just about anything. So let's get right into it. Ladies, there's a special segment in here for you too. So you can see that what I have here is a regular razor blade right here. Everyone is familiar with the regular razor blade, nice and sharp. It'll definitely cut you open. And then we have, oh come on now, then we have the plastic razor blade. Okay, and you can see that this actually has two edges. And I mean, don't push hard, it could cut you, but it's a much safer tool. And this is just your traditional scraper that you would use for these types of blades. So let's put this guy together. You can remove stickers from wood, metal, glass, plastics. Let me demonstrate.
This is for you.
So you're probably thinking to yourself, like I did when I first found out about this product, is why didn't I know about this before? I'll leave a link in the description to where you can pick these up, but you can get them online, just in many places. If you want to pick them up locally, you'll have to go to an auto parts store most likely. I went to a few hardware stores and I had to ask people, and they didn't even know what I was talking about. So it's definitely kind of a specialized item, I guess, used a lot more in automotive for like gasket scraping or things of that nature. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you learned something from it, and heck, go get you a plastic razor and get rid of those labels. Thanks for watching, guys. You have a great night, and we'll catch you on the next one.